Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we will talk about how to set up a Zoom meeting in the Windows. First of all, you need to have your Zoom ready and sign in. When you're inside, you have two options. First is the new meeting and second is schedule new meeting for the future. Let's try the first option first. It will automatically open a new window where you will do your meeting and you just need to follow the prompts. Click here. Make sure that the sound is working, the video is here, and you can share screen here if you want. Now if you want to invite more people, you just click here and you can type their address here. When they will get the email, they just need to follow the prompts and input the meeting ID and password. When you're done inputting all the names and the email address, you just need to press invite here. When everything is done, you just need to wait for your friends to come in to the meeting room and then proceed as you want. When you're done, you just need to click here and end the meeting for everyone. Next, for the schedule meeting for the future, let's try this option. Now here's the topic name and then the start time and date. And this is the duration, just leave it for half an hour. And then there's the ID, password, video, and the calendar. You can choose whichever you want. Now let's try to schedule this meeting. They automatically open a Google account. Just leave it for now, we don't need it at the moment. Now if we come back here, you can click and see the meeting's details. That's the time, and that's the title. You can also see the meeting ID here. If you want to see how the invitation looks like, just click here, copy invitation. Let's open the notepad and see. Here's all the details again. And you need these two meeting ID and password to make sure everything is working. When your friends receive the email, they will need to input these two items into the Zoom software to join the meetings. Now if you go back home, we can start the meeting here whenever you want. It will be mostly similar with the previous one, and you just have to wait for everyone to join the meeting and proceed as you want. Now let's finish everything and meeting for all and close here. Now if you need anything else or if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us in 0386 521 589. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you again soon. Bye bye.